Hello everyone, my name's Sean. I'm with SpillSolved. We've been getting a lot of requests on the website to see the different kinds of spills that SpillSolved can clean up. So today we're going to just show you a couple of the tougher things. We got some oil latex based paint, polyurethane, wood finish, brake fluid, some diesel engine oil, antifreeze, and some UV ink, which is some really nasty stuff. So let's go ahead and get started and show you what our product can do. Before we begin, I'd just like to say if you want to send us a request to compare our product against other absorbents or different types of liquids you deal with, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at SpillSolved LLC or follow us on social media at Facebook at SpillSolved. So we had a few people on our website send us messages challenging us, asking us if SpillSolved will clean up paint. No problem. Doesn't matter if it's oil or latex based paint. We love a good challenge. Paint's obviously some of the tougher stuff to clean up. SpillSolved is going to work a lot faster than paper towels and water or mop and bucket or any of the kitty litter type products or sawdust. What you want to do is just completely cover the spill with SpillSolved so there's no visible sign of liquid. Again, SpillSolved is reusable. Really doesn't matter how much you use. You're going to be able to sweep it up, put it back in the bucket, and reuse it at the end. So with paint, just kind of want to take a push broom, work it into the spill slowly. Just try to avoid spreading it out and make a bigger mess because the paint will get in the bristles of the broom. But as you'll see, it just takes a matter of a few seconds, very little effort. Very quick, no residue left on the ground. Just a few seconds, we cleaned up that spill. There's no residue left. There's no liquid in the SpillSolved material. It's completely dry to touch. Again, it works instantly. You don't got to let it sit overnight or anything like that. As soon as you put the material down, you can start sweeping it up. And if you want to just remove that little paint stain, just take a little paint thinner, pour that down, work it in with a broom for a few seconds. Again, very little effort, very easy. Now what we're going to do is just take a little bit of SpillSolved, just put a thin layer down. Use that to clean up the paint thinner. It works really fast, really effective. Instantly. And what you're left with is a clean, dry surface. It's non-slippery. It's instantly safe for foot or vehicle traffic. And then the material here, spread it out. We'll show you there's no liquid in the material. There's no free-flowing liquid. Safe to touch. Again, SpillSolved is 100% non-toxic. It's a completely inert mineral. My hands are dry. There's no paint in my hands. And this material is completely reusable again. There's no reason to throw it away. You could just scoop it back up, put it in a bucket, and reuse it. So there you have it. I don't know of a faster way to clean up a paint spill other than SpillSolved.